Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is a Hazel, and today we are diving into how to turn off suggested for you on Facebook. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, go to the Facebook applications. Here at the top right corner, tap on these three horizontal lines. Tap on the setting icon and here tap on see more in account center. Scroll down and tap on add preferences. Tap on manage info. Tap on activity information from ad partners. Tap on review settings. Here you have to tap on this option and tap on confirm. No, don't make my ad more relevant by using this information. Make this options, enable it and go back. Tap on categories used to reach me. Now tap on view and manage. So remove all this category. After removing all, you can go to remove category and undo it if you want to get it back. After that, go to the add zone outside of Meta and here disable this permissions and then we are done. So here the Facebook won't show you the suggested contents. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now and I'll catch you in the next one. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for today and I'll see you in the next one.